What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. I finally made the grinder sandwich, guys. Look at that, looking good and delicious. You've seen how I made it. So let's dive in. I melted the cheese as well. I didn't show you I melted the cheese, but this is a viral TikTok video sandwich, whatever you want to call it. Whoa, I just know it's going to go all over. Ready? I don't even know how to take a bite of this. It's just absolutely loaded, hence why it's called the grinder. Wow, those cheeses are lovely. Picked up that onion and chive, I think it was. It's really nice and strong. That lovely chorizo, very nice. It's a very messy sandwich, like. Those two cheeses are quite strong, like. Lovely. Just got plain cheddar and, like I say, that onion one. Hope it's all okay, and thank you everyone who done the poll. Obviously you voted for this one. Spaghetti bolognese was in the lead for a while, and then this one just started creeping higher. I wouldn't get the spaghetti bolognese stuff in, so I had to quickly run out and get the grinder sandwich stuff. So that was lovely boiled ham as well, boiled shredded ham. Lovely and smoky it is. Worth it, like. This salad's lovely. Nothing much in it, to be fair, but with the balsamic, I'll also put some garlic, olive oil in. Balsamic vinegar and mayo. Really nice on your salad. Kids are off school now, guys, so I'll be honest, I think my videos are going to be all over the place, so just bear with us. I will upload when I upload. First day of the holidays, which was Thursday, because they broke up on Wednesday. We got up nice and early, went to my mum's, got all our garden, lovely. I forgot to take a picture of the back garden though, but I got the after picture. It's lovely and freshened up now. She wanted new bark put around her borders at the front, and obviously our grass was long. She had a massive, it was actually a weed, but it looked like a tree. It was that thick. At the side of her house, we chopped all that down. So she's just got to stay in her decking now, and Kenny's going to hang some. We've got the same little solar lights as what we've got in the back garden, just where she sits on her deck, and we're going to put them up for her. So she was very happy with that. Looks lovely. So I like cut all the grass and stuff and the big weed tree down, and Kenny like lifted all that old bark up, relined it, and then put fresh bark down. and the kids. She's also got like a big, like you'll see it on the pictures, a big hedge at the back. But it makes like a massive dome when you go through the middle. It's like a massive other part of our garden. So then we're loving it, like just making a little den in the bushes. We're having great fun. I'm just going to get a spoon for all this nice salad. And as well, like where the bushes are at the back of our garden, some blackberries have been growing. She's got like blackberry bushes. And my mum hates gardening, she really hates it. Mainly so I always have to cut her grass for her. So I posted on Facebook, when your mum's such a keen gardener, she plants blackberries for our grandchildren, and they've just come out of nowhere, she didn't plant them. So that got a few laughs on Facebook. Everyone knows she hates doing gardening. I used yellow peppers because I think they're the sweetest. And by the way, I must mention my nails. They've got like, they're not dirty, but while I was like digging up, she's got like a pathway which basically was covered in grass, and I was literally like, digging up all the grass. It was hard work, my shoulders have been killing. But the spade I was using, like some kind of oil was coming out of it, so my hands were like totally black, and they've like went in like around the edges of my nails. Tried to get it off, I've scrubbed and scrubbed. But it's staying put. But just in case you thought I was minging. My hands are very clean. Trying to think what else. Friday. Didn't do that on Friday, did we, Ken? You hell, what the hell did we do on Friday? Anyways, I know night time we had a drink. It's Saturday now. Feels like Sunday to me actually. You know when it's one of them like boring days. I think we're just going to have like a nice chill movie night. Go to the shop, get some goodies for the kids. I was thinking about doing like some kind of series on here, like cheap meals what feed like a family. Because honestly, the last few times I love Aldi and I will always shop there, but the past few times I've been in, I've literally just got what I needed for the day. Even Kenny's noticed, he says, what you been spending? He says, you're spending this amount of money and there's barely nothing in, where that would usually get with a lot of shopping in. But the prices have gone sky high. It's everywhere, it's not just Aldi. So that made us think, well, I start doing like, like one pot meals where you can like make a massive batch of something which will feed the family for cheap as well. So that would be a good little series to do, like, for, because everyone will be in the same boat. Everything's just so expensive at the minute. So what can I call a little series? Give us some suggestions in the comments, and then I'll have a good think of like cheap, big batch meals I can make. I just thought it'd be nice for to share some cheap recipes with you, because like I say, energy bills, shopping, everything's just going sky high at the minute, isn't it? I nearly didn't put tomato on because sometimes I think tomato overpowers everything, but I sliced them dead fine, and I've just first got a flavour out there. these baguettes as well were longer. The part baked ones where you put them in the oven, like finish off cooking them, they're lovely. But when I took them out the packet, like about that much of the ends had snapped off. So they're not as long as they should have been, guys. I've had that ham in my freezer for a while now. I thought I'm going to get that boiled off because it's lovely. I thought it would make lovely sandwiches for Ellis and Kenny when they take them for bait. And yeah, massive. I should have made a soup with it, shouldn't I? That's another massive batch thing I can do. Lovely hearty soup. That as well, give us some ideas if you know like big batch cheap like meals I can make, and then I'll make a video on it. I want to get the boys some little, do you know, the fishing nets, because there's a lovely place down by the Royal Quays. Me and my mum, my sister used to take Ellis and me nephews when they were little, used to take like an empty coffee jar and used to catch the little fishes and put them in the coffee jar, and then would release them before we come home. But they love doing it, and like I think like Oscar and Spencer love doing that as well, so we're going to go down there one day. It's just thinking of things to amuse them, isn't it? Like what don't cost a fortune. So little 3 days out, and I know all our buses up here in the metros, as long as there's a paying adult, then children are free. So that will help a lot of parents. We need to have a look and see what else is around where we can go for some adventures. What do you get up to? How do you amuse your kids during the summer holidays when they're off school? It's hard, isn't it, to keep thinking of stuff. I mean, mine are quite happy just amusing themselves in the bedroom, but obviously they can't do that every day. But they don't whinge to go places all the time. They don't like need entertained, but it is nice to get out and about. So they're no bother really that way. So I will plan a few nice days out for her. Pardon me. The weather's cooled down as well. It's still a little bit warm, but it's cooled down compared to what it was. It was absolutely roasting. I think it went to 45 degrees at one day. But luckily it doesn't last long in this country. Well, hope you enjoyed that. It was a little short little sandwich, but I know you've voted for that, so there you go. I've also been asked to do it off a few people as well, so news I've finally done it. I can maybe do spag bol for the next video. I've still got the stuff in for that, so that might be my next video, or I might end up doing something completely different. Well, I'm going to go, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.